It's currently 9 in the morning and it's snowing. We're all sound asleep and Mother came running up, opened all the windows. Like I literally just got out of bed, like some of my retainers and everything, but this is just really important. So I just wanted to show the snow before I go back to sleep.
I saw white and I was like,
wow. My feet are so cold. Okay, I'm going back in.
we came outside and our windshield was frozen from all over here to all over here and we could not see anything. And then us Texas girls used our resources and we poured some water on it and it started to go away very slowly. And now Casey is using an umbrella to scrape it away. You want me to video it?
Yeah. Get up close and personal.
Wow. Oh, here's Greg. There goes Craig. Yay! Teamwork! Hi, I'm Kara. We're here at the bakery.
We're at, what's this called? Bird's Bakery?
Bird's Bakery at Highland Park.
Getting some lunch. Oh, those molasses cookies look so good. We have to go pick her parents up from the airport, so we're doing a little detour to get lunch first.
Shawnee's not here right now, so I'm taking over. She's getting something from somewhere. So we are currently vlogging here. That is Kyla. So yeah, I'll do this while she's gone. And that's all I have to say. If you have any questions, just what's the word?
Comment below.
Comment below. Bye. Bye means end. Hi guys, Kaya here.
Hi, I'm back and welcome to Vlogmas Day 6.
Yeah, that too.
Vlogmas. This is definitely not Vlogmas. This is Vlognears.
Yeah, it's
I don't know what I just said. I'm sorry.
Kara, you're on vlog. Hey!
You gonna get this on film?
Yeah. Being recorded right now. Whoa!
Nada. Wait.
The vlogger.
You want to go to Kroger with me? You can vlog in Kroger. You want to go? Okay, you want to go?
Come on, Kaya.
We're at Kroger. I'm gonna say we're at Target. We're not at Target. We have to get ginger root and sesame seed oil.
Fun. What are you looking for?
Sesame oil. All these oils. So we just had a semi-successful shopping trip at Kroger. We got. Alright, we're at the car. It's here. Pause.
Yeah.
Get in the car. We can vlog in the car. So, it's currently 23 degrees outside, but with the wind chill, it feels like 10 degrees in Texas. What's going on in here? What's happening? What is this? So, on New Year's Eve, for as long as I can remember, we've all brought out this crimper. Why do we do this? I don't know why we do it. We just do. It's just a little tradition, I guess. Hey, Kiana. Hi, camera. How does it feel? How does what feel? For it to be New Year's Eve. Wow, can you believe it's almost 2018?
Yeah!
Wow.
Sarah, say hi.
Oh.
Hi!
How does it feel?
It's my graduating year almost.
Wow.
Class of
Amanda.
2018.
How does it feel
To do what?
for it to be 2018?
We're having lobster shooters. So it's fried lobster with this special sauce. Lobster shooters!
Yum. Oh, don't you like our crimped hair too?
Some more empty cups.
So this is New Year's Eve at the Margolis' house. So we've got Ty, who refused to crimp his hair. I mean, isn't this such, well, my lobster shooter, I gotta show off the hair. This is just such a good hairstyle. It's totally 70s or 80s or 90s or whatever era wore their hair like this. And we've got our lobster shooters, which is the best appetizer. And we just have a huge party going on. Can we just talk about how good my skin looks right now? Like, I really have really crappy skin in real life, but like right now, look at it. Look at it, it's so good. Happy New Year to me! Me too! Say hi, Grandpa.
Say something funny.
We're addicted.
To what?
Chips and dips.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
It's time to open our Secret Santa gifts. Guess who I have? What is it? Who do you have? I have Kate. I have Casey. I know. So we've got 3 minutes till New Year's.
Just catching up on my Snap stories really fast before the new year because it's my last chance.
Last chance to do it 2017.
I'm kind of tapping through them really, really fast. Oh,
Where's the
I'm
bomb?
still on the same person who's posted maybe 20,000 stories. Okay. Are you excited?
Well, it's a great angle, Chip.
Is that a vlog?
Yeah, it's a vlog.
Really? It looks like live TV.
It is live TV right now.
Happy New Year! Woo! How's that?
Now tomorrow, when I show this to you, you can watch it and see yourself on the vlog.
That's a vlog?
Yes.
This is like a video of somebody.
It's a video vlog. Yeah. Wait, we literally have like 55 seconds. We don't have my drink. Okay, pause. Wait, we need our drinks. 7, 6,